Welcome to Cursive Lesson 78. We're going to work on some high frequency words that are used especially in constructed responses. Okay, so first thing that we need to do, we're going to work on the words definitely and evidence, but the first thing we need to do is put your heading on, your name, number, date. Our directions are to trace each word and use the dots provided to practice writing each word. So definitely has two I's and a T. So we're going to need to dot those I's and cross that T when we get to the end. Okay, so our starting dot, we curve up to the middle, retrace back down, touch the bottom, go complete the oval, go all the way to the top, retrace back down. Now we go to the E, we're going to slant up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom. Now our F, slant all the way to the top, loop back, go below the line, loop forward, touch. Now the I, slant up to the middle, retrace down. Now we're going to slant up to the middle. Now we can make our N. Up to the middle for our next I, retrace down. Up near the top, retrace back down. For our T, slant up to the middle. For our E, loop back. Okay. Now for our L, we're going to go all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom. Now for our Y, up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, loop back, cross, make your tail. Then you go back and dot your I's and cross your T. So here, we're going to curve up to the middle, retrace back down, complete your oval, go all the way to the top, retrace down. Now we need to make our E, slant up to the middle, loop back. Now our F, we're going to slant all the way to the top, loop back, go below the line, go forward, touch, slant up to the middle for our I, retrace down, up to the middle. Now we can make our N. Up to the middle for our next I, retrace back down, up nearly to the top, retrace back down for our T. We're going to slant up to the middle and loop back for our E. We're going to slant all the way to the top and loop back for our L. Slant up to the middle, back down, up to the middle for our Y, retrace down, go below the line, loop back, cross, make your tail. Then we go back and dot the I's and cross the T. Okay, definitely with a capital D. Starting dot, we go all the way down, then we make a little loop at the bottom, touch the bottom, curve all the way back up, touch the top, the beginning dot, make a little loop and a whoop. And then we go down and start the rest of our word. We're going to slant up to the middle, loop back, slant all the way to the top, loop back, go below the line, loop forward, touch, slant up to the middle, retrace down, slant up to the middle. Now we can make our N. Up to the middle, retrace back down, up near the top, retrace back down, up to the middle, loop back, okay, up nearly to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace down, go below the line, loop back, cross, make your tail, dot your I's, and cross your T. Okay, starting dot, go down, make a little loop, touch the bottom, curve around, touch the top, complete your loop and your whoop. Then we go to the starting dot to do the rest of the letters. So we have E, we're going to loop back. F, we go all the way to the top, loop back, go below the line, loop forward. Now I, we slant up to the middle, retrace down. Now N, we slant up, so we can make our N. Another I, slant up to the middle, retrace down. Now T, we slant nearly to the top, retrace down. Now E, we slant to the middle, loop back. L, we go all the way to the top and loop back. Then we have our Y, curve up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace down, go below the line, loop back, cross, make your tail. And then you go back and dot your I's and cross your T. Okay, evidence has an I, so we're going to dot that at the end. So starting dot, we slant up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, up to the middle for our V, go up, make your little whoop, up to the middle for our I, down to the bottom. We're going to curve up, retrace back down, complete your oval, go all the way to the top, retrace back down, up to the middle, loop back, up to the middle, to the bottom. Now we can make our N. We're going to curve around, retrace to make our C, send up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail for the last E, and then you dot the I. Starting dot, we need to start with the E, so we slant up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom. Now our V, we go up, down, up, make a little whoop. Now our I, we go to the middle, go down to the bottom. Now our D, we curve up, retrace back down, touch the bottom, complete our oval, go all the way to the top, retrace back down. Okay, now our E, we go to the middle, loop back. Our N, we go to the middle. Now we can make our N. C, we curve up, retrace back down, touch the bottom. Now our last E, we slant to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail, and then you go back and dot your I. Okay, here's our capital E for evidence. Starting dot, curve around, make a little loop, curve around, touch the bottom. Now we're going to curve up to make our V, down to the bottom, up to the middle, make our little whoop, make our I. Now we're going to curve around for our D, retrace, touch the bottom, complete your oval, go all the way to the top, retrace back down to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, curve up to the middle. Now we can make our N, curve up to the middle, retrace back down, touch the bottom, up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail, and then you go back and dot your I. Starting dot, curve up to the top, to the middle, make a little loop, touch the bottom, up to the middle. Now we can make our V, make our little whoop to our I, touch the bottom. Now we're going to make our D, we curve around, retrace, touch the bottom, complete our oval, go all the way to the top, retrace back down. We're going to make our E, we're going to go to the middle, loop back. Now our N, we curve up and can now make our N. Our C, we curve toward the middle, retrace back down, touch the bottom. Now our E, slant up to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail, and then we go back and dot the I. Alright, so now we've worked on these high frequency words used in constructed responses of definitely and evidence. So go ahead and practice more on the back, and thank you for joining me.